No, just tell me one thing. So, anyone who's watching this, अगर उनको communication skills improve करने हैं उनके life में, तो ऐसे कौन से 3 daily habits है that they should start adopting right from now so that they can improve their communication skills?
Number one, the most important thing is step out of the house. Meet people, be around people. Even if you're not talking to people directly, but meet people or just be around that energy. Be in momentum. Momentum really helps you get better with communication exponentially. Most of your communication problems will get solved if you start stepping out of the house every day. Second thing is, because बहुत बार हम isolate कर लेते हैं and we are in this vacuum and then we just feel like we're the last person on earth. And then like all of our linguistic and communication abilities just go down the drain. So stepping out of the house. The second thing is make a habit of calling people instead of texting, and because a lot of people who struggle with communication also hide behind messages. So calling people, I know it can be uncomfortable. There's calling anxiety is a real thing. So calling people, talking to them, and make this a daily habit. The third thing is, let's say I want to make this something to do with body language. Start really paying, like I said in the beginning, कि जब भी आप किसी से बात कर रहे हो, like doesn't have to be that you do it every day, but whenever you speak to somebody, make sure that you're thinking about how can I make this person comfortable rather than thinking that how can I feel comfortable or what is this person thinking about me. So when I do that, I'm naturally more focused on you. You're giving me conversational threads. I'm picking up on those cues and then I'm asking you more questions. And as a result of this smooth conversation or my learnings from it, I'm gaining more and more data and more information of how to have conversations. So do it as much as possible.
What is calling anxiety?
Calling anxiety is something that I think a lot of people, our generation, kind of have it. It's again like a generational thing, is what I have observed. There's no research or there's no peer-reviewed articles on this, I think. But calling anxiety is one, because we have become so used to text. Text is comfortable. Text is like, okay, I can think about what I'm going to say or what I'm going to write for like 30 minutes and then write the perfect message and then send it. And then when they respond to something, I can look at that, then I can see what I have to respond, and then it can be calibrated. It can be calculated. Calls are not like that. Calls are like live sessions, right? You call somebody, they might pick up, they might not. वहाँ पे एक रिजेक्शन एंग्जाइटी आ जाती है कि उठाया नहीं उठाया कॉल. बहुत लोगों को होती है, किसी को नहीं. एक्सट्रोवर्टेड जो ज़्यादा होते हैं उनको यूजुअली नहीं होती है वो, बट अगर कोई इंट्रोवर्टेड है तो उनको वो एंग्जाइटी हो सकती है कि इफ़ आई एम कॉलिंग समबडी दे डोंट पिक अप, ओके, do I write to them, do I not write to them, are they going to call back, and because we have just gotten away from this directness because we are so involved in our phones and devices. वो directness, आप एक बहुत फ़नी चीज़ आप एक ऑब्जर्व करना, ठीक है. आप जैसे कोई भी एयरपोर्ट पे बैठे हो या कोई भी पब्लिक स्पेस पे बैठे हो या कोई भी लेट्स से ट्रेन स्टेशन पे बैठे हो, you look at people around you and you observe the younger ones and you observe the older ones, like people who are our parents' age, like 60, 70, 80s. They will look at you and they will look at you for a very long time, the older ones, almost to the point that you are going to start feel uncomfortable कि इतना मतलब, but they're not, that's just people watching for them. We have gotten used to looking at our phones anytime, every time that somebody makes eye contact. What we do, we look at our phone. We try to do something. When we enter a room, we are looking at our phone because we don't want direct eye contact, which is why this is the number one drill that I have my communication clients do. You lock eyes with somebody, with a stranger, you hold it for 3 seconds. And ऐसा नहीं कि eye contact की practice है वो. It's for them, it's for me to desensitize them to this directness. क्या हो जाएगा, कल नहीं मिलने वाले, उसको निकल जाएगा वहाँ से. You just to practice directness. So calling is a form of directness.
If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.